Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel. As you can see today, I'm in my America's Tire uniform, but I do not work there. This is my old uniform from like 2 years ago, so no one, just like I was saying, doesn't matter about my uniform. Do not work there anymore, so nobody comment about it. But anyways, we're back here today with another video on the Ghost Flash channel, and today we're working on the Yamaha FZ1. As you can see, I got 3 bottles of oil for the motorcycle, got oil filter, 4 spark plugs, and I guess grip kit for this gas tank. But in order to do this, you guys are going to need a 17mm socket, extension, ratchet, 4 spark plugs, 3 quarts of 4-stroke oil filter, and that's just an extra thing I want to put on the bike. So basically in today's video, I'm going to basically refresh up the bikes. I noticed the oil was a little bit low, so the oil light was on, so I'm going to go ahead, change out the oil, put brand new oil in, brand new oil filter, get rid of that. And also the bike did sputter a little bit on lower RPM, so I figured change the spark plugs out because the spark plugs are probably old. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So I'm basically going to have to remove the tank off the bike to get to the 4 spark plugs across the top of the motor. Just these 2 bolts. Stripped it, didn't you? It wasn't even tight. Oh. Yeah, that was so loose. Gas tank. Full bike before. And it's a full tank, so this is kind of heavy. Spark plug and cylinder number 2 is caked in oil. Alright guys, so the bike is all done. Finished up the oil change. It took 3 quarts of oil, and after draining the oil, maybe a quart and a half came out of the engine. So when I looked on the side to see the oil level, indeed it was low, hence why my oil pressure light was on. Shout out to the guy I got the bike from, for taking care of the bike. And so it got fresh new oil in it. It's all good. Changed out all 4 spark plugs. Sorry I didn't show it too in depth. I got frustrated because the coil pack in cylinder 3 was stuck, so it took me almost an hour to get it out. I ended up having to go to AutoZone and get the correct tool to be able to help me pull the coil pack out. But other than that, I got all 4 spark plugs done, coil packs all put back in, oil and filter all changed on the bike, and the bike is now running in mint condition. This might be the last video with this bike, because as I told you, I was either going to keep it and fix it up or make a flip on it. I got a guy coming to look at the bike, and if he buys the bike, I'll be making a $500 profit. And all I did was change the oil and change the spark plugs and repost it for more than what I paid for the bike. That's about it for the 2003 FZ1000. If you guys liked this video, give it a like, give it a comment, and subscribe. And now if I do end up selling the bike, just know another bike will be coming to the channel at some point. Yes, the Grom is sold. It just sold it yesterday. The FZ1000 might be getting sold in a few days. I will most likely be purchasing another bike to have on the channel, and it might not be a sports bike this time, so stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.